She said she really grew up poor like me. Don't believe in nothing.
Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel, Beautifully Unique. This is your girl Tiffany, and I'm coming to you guys with another colorful look. You guys know I love color, so this is a look that I did that is inspired by a picture that I saw on Instagram, and I'm going to put the picture in the video somewhere. I'm gonna put the picture in the video, and I'm going to show you guys what the look actually looked like, and it's pretty much similar. I did the same thing. The only thing I did was just change like the under eye, and that's basically it. So this is going to be a really quick video of just a run through of how I achieved this look. If you guys want to recreate it, also I will tag the original person who did this, and I hope you guys like this video. Like, comment, and subscribe, and see you guys later. Hey guys, so we're starting off with a cut crease. I basically like started my other eye, and before I realized that I wasn't recording. So I will be linking, like I'll be writing the two shades that I use in the description box. But I'm just cutting my crease with a Plouise base. I believe this is, of course, shade 0. So I'm not going to be talking this whole video. I'm going to let you guys enjoy it. And so I will be showing each palette and shade that I use. So I hope you guys enjoy this video, and I'll be back talking to you guys later.
She fighting but falling slowly. If ever you are in doubt, remember what mama told me. Brown skin girl, your skin just like pearls. You're back against the world. I never trade you for anybody else. Say beautiful, my one and only. Got me feeling all types of way. Popping up on me, shit is crazy. Flowing one day at a time. Who would've thought that I'd be in this position? Cause I didn't know myself. Patiently waiting, but low-key been chillin'. And there she go. No way that I got you, baby. Wanna know what you're all about. I'm all about you, been about you. Forever gonna hold you down. Tonight I might fall in love, depending on how you hold me. I'm glad that I'm calming down. Can't let no one come control me. Keep dancing and call it love. She fighting but falling slowly. If ever you are in doubt, remember what mama told me. Brown skin girl, your skin just like pearls. You're back against the world. I never trade you for anybody else. Say brown skin girl, your skin just like pearls. The best thing in all the world. I never trade you for anybody else. Say yeah, 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 yeah. I never trade you for anybody else. Say my brown skin girl.
S playing on the track.
For anybody else, say brown skin, melanin, she poppin'. Think I might have found a wifey. The way she looking got me out of control. She moving them hips like it ain't nothing. Shining and glowing, baby. Always on my mind, my baby. Really don't know how I got here. Yeah, God bless me with an angel. She feeling it, yeah, she killing it. Yeah, crazy what you did to me, baby. No doubt in my mind, she better be mine, oh yeah. Tonight I might fall in love, depending on how you hold me. I'm glad that I'm calming down. Can't let no one come control me. Keep dancing and call it love.
So guys, I'm done with my eyes, and I'm going to do my, simple face routine, just using Fenty and using Juvias paste. I mixed them both to create like my perfect shade, and I got a little bit of tan, so going to Six Flags. But I'm just gonna be using more of the Juvias paste palette, and I will tell you guys what shade I use in the description box. So it's pretty much a simple routine. It's just that that's pretty much the only thing that I do that's kind of different. But I hope you guys just enjoy, and once again I said I'm not gonna talk your head off. So I hope you guys enjoy this video, and I'll come back to you guys later on.
We're gonna hold you down. Tonight I might fall in love, depending on how you hold me. I'm glad that I'm calming down. Can't let no one come control me. Keep dancing and call it love. She fighting but falling slowly. If ever you are in doubt, remember what mama told me. Brown skin girl, your skin just like pearls. You're back against the world. I never trade you for anybody else. Say, brown skin girl, your skin just like pearls. The best thing in all the world. I never trade you for anybody else. Say, yeah, 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 yeah. I never trade you for anybody else. Say, my brown skin girl.
Bling on the track.
For anybody else, say, brown skin, melanin, she poppin'. Think I might have found a wifey. The way she looking got me out of control. She moving them hips like it ain't nothing. Shining and glowing, baby. Always on my mind, my baby. Really don't know how I got here. Yeah, God bless me with an angel. She feeling it, yeah, she killing it. Yeah, crazy what you did to me, baby. No doubt in my mind, she better be mine, oh yeah. Tonight I might fall in love, depending on how you hold me. I'm glad that I'm calming down. Can't let no one come control me. Keep dancing and call it love. She fighting but falling slowly. If ever you are in doubt, remember what mama told me. Brown skin girl, your skin just like pearls. You're back against the world. I never trade you for anybody else. Say, beautiful, my one and only. Got me feeling all types.
So this is just a little twist that I decided to put on the look. I went with that shade that I just showed you guys. I went in and I put that on my my waterline, because I love a color waterline. So I put that on my waterline just to give a little pop and add a little bit to this just add a little bit to this look. So that's basically the look. I did my lashes off camera because I still do it the ghetto way. So yeah, I put my lashes off camera. These are just random lashes, I think, like from the beauty supply store or something. But putting on some highlight, and that will basically be the look. And I'll come back to you guys at the end and finish talking to you guys. So bye, babies.
Skin girl, your skin just like pearls. You're back against the world. I never trade you for anybody else. Say, brown skin girl, your skin just like pearls. The best thing in all the world. I never trade you for anybody else. Say, yeah, 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 yeah. I never trade you for anybody else. Say, my brown skin girl.
Bling on the track.
I never trade you for anybody else. Say, brown skin, melanin, she poppin'. Think I might have found.
So guys, this is the final look, and just like as I said before, this is an inspired look that I saw on Instagram, and I just love this look so much. So I really have fun recreating this look and showing you guys how I did this look. I love doing colorful looks. I love just being creative and showing just my creativity with different people's looks, or with my own creativity of looks. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm not gonna chat your head off, but I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you guys enjoyed and loved this look, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.